I will introduce you to my ultimate Six Sigma Yellow Belt, where you will learn about Six Sigma fundamentals, systematic approach to improve a process and sustain the improvement in this video. Do listen to this video till the end, as I will have a free gift for you. Six Sigma is one of the most popular approach in process improvement that has been used by many multinational companies to bring the best products and services to their customers. Almost all business organizations uses Six Sigma for business process improvement and systematic problem solving. Therefore, it is one of the highly valued skills in the corporate world. Hello, I'm Evelyn Tan, a quality engineering professional. A major part of my career is spent managing suppliers, where I work with over hundreds of suppliers across the globe, such as Samsung, Sony, Panasonic, LG, Foxconn, Flextronic, to ensure that they deliver value products to the company I serve using Lean and Six Sigma approach. I'm a black belt certified in Lean Six Sigma, where I have led and also mentored over hundreds of projects to transform suppliers' quality and also value stream. I have also trained hundreds of engineers and managers across the globe in Six Sigma and also ensure suppliers apply Six Sigmas to improve their process to a sustainable level and ship consistently good quality parts. With my expertise in Six Sigma, I have designed this course to help students gain fundamental knowledge in Six Sigma at yellow belt level, where you can apply it in your work and also in job interview. This easy to follow course will introduce you to Six Sigma methodology, a step-by-step approach of Six Sigma phases, starting from define, followed by measure, analyze, improve, and finally control phase. There will be a case study to enhance students' understanding, and it will be consolidated into a Six Sigma project presentation in Module 7. An interview questions and answer guide related to job interview on Six Sigma is also included in this course. There will be clear slides, big size fonts, interesting graphic with annotations to explain all the concepts so that you can understand, remember, and apply Six Sigma immediately. At the end of this course, the student will be able to apply Six Sigma Yellow Belt in process improvement and problem solving, and understand and select the Six Sigma tools that is to be used in each phase to surface the problem and also get the problem solved. This course comes with 12 Six Sigma tools and templates which is editable, and also a potential engineering job interview questions and answers. You will be able to co-lead or even lead a Six Sigma project at the yellow belt level. You can also impress the interviewer with your Six Sigma knowledge in a job interview. This course
include quizzes at the end of each module to test your understanding, a 2-hour plus of on-demand video, and also access through mobile device where you can take the course anywhere. It is also given a full lifetime access where you can get all my future updates and a certification of completion from Udemy. Udemy is known for an affordable course provider. With a small investment, you can download my 30 years of experience to become an expert in Six Sigma, where your skills and income will grow exponentially. You will also beat your competitors in a job interview with your knowledge. So, what are you waiting for? Just click the below button to enroll in this course, and you're on your way to become the champion in Six Sigma Yellow Belt level. Would you like to enroll this course for free at Udemy? You can if you like this or other videos in this channel. Comment if the content in this channel is beneficial for you. Subscribe to this channel and connect with me through linking with the link provided below with a message of Six Sigma course. Do bear in mind that this offer is only for a limited time. Let me know if you want me to cover any other topics in manufacturing process or quality engineering. Thank you for watching and see you in my other videos.